Hello guys, welcome back to another blog. Today we are going to Swami Padmanava temple, which is like very famous, one of very famous temple in Kerala. So it's 6:30 already and we woke up late and got ready. This is my outfit because we are not allowed to wear any kind of pants or something, and I didn't brought any kind of skirt, like only skirt and sari one can wear. And if you're wearing pants and pants or something like that, like western outfit or anything, then you have to purchase there one mundu, then you have to cover it yourself there, and then you can enter the temple. So that is the criteria of that temple. But we wear mundu and go, that is for boys. So we thought of wearing sari. Wala thing. Oh, it's like this. The glass is not that good, so yeah. This is how what जल्दी में मुझे जितना आया इतना भी अच्छे से साड़ी ड्रेप करना नहीं आता है मुझे, बट आई लव वेयरिंग साड़ी. सो जितना सब कुछ हुआ यू फ़ोन अभी गिरने वाला था. अभी मैं सोई हो रहा है और स्किन का तो छोड़ो, घूम घूम के टैन हो चुका है मेरा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तो ये है मेरा आउटफिट. एंड देन नाउ वी आर बुकिंग ओला बुक करने के बाद विल गो एंड आई विल शेयर यू गाइस कि कैसे वहाँ पे गए, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. लेट्स गो. She said like start vlogging, and now when I am starting she is saying like don't do it. We are inside the auto. Someone out from these people booked the auto. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Dharanika booked. She said like start vlogging. No. But when I started, she is saying like don't show my face. What kind of thing is this? I don't know. You people say in comment box what she is thinking. Okay, we reached. I think phone is not allowed. So here is the temple. They both are going. Yeah. I think it's not allowed. So
It is actually me and Deepthi sitting. Yeah, the thing is, actually, we woke up at 4:30 or around something, 4 or 4:30, and we were discussing for more than half an hour. Like, should we go or nahi karke? We were discussing. Okay, like should we go for that 6:30 darshan or 9:30 darshan? In our brain it is like, yeah, we should go at 9:30, but nobody is saying it directly that we should go at 9:30. So we were like, okay, we already woke up, so we can go by 2. As we thought that already we were deprived of sleep, so let us just go take bath karke, we thought, and we got ready and we came here exactly at 6:56. Okay, then one auntie did shitty thing here, so we stopped, and then one policeman asked, and they said ki, okay guys, please stand here and wait for 9:30. We were like, okay, we stood, and now by standing here, and we now the second phase is we were sitting here, and then I don't know, that police auntie came and she said that no recording or something, but we are doing it for you guys. I don't know whether they'll be allowing it or not, but please try to do it, okay?
they are the princess. I am also a princess. Guys, like we are so tired. After coming to this museum, we saw the museum. I don't know the name. Okay, I will. I'll mention it in the description box or in the blog thumbnail. I don't know the name, but yeah, we saw different, like all the kings and their kingdoms, their lineage, their daughters, and everyone's picture in that museum, and so many pictures of their ancestors, like ancestral picture of rajas and maharanis and all that what we saw. And the next we are going to see another museum there only, here itself. Actually time proceeds, so we couldn't like the timing was up to 2 to 5 one session will be there, and something up to 12:45 or 12:30 is there. After that we couldn't see, so we went to that museum and we saw that. Now we will see that museum. I don't know what is that inside. I think videos are not allowed. It's allowed actually, but you have to pay 500 rupees. But 500 for showing you all these kings and kings photos and their daughters and rajas maharaja, I didn't felt like it's worth it, so I thought of not taking it. 500 is not worth it, I guess, so इसलिए नहीं लिया. और ये का ये यहाँ पे you can take videos and photos, और उसके लिए आपको 50 रुपीज़ देना पड़ेगा एक फ़ोटो के लिए, लाइक एक फ़ोन के लिए. सो या वी ऑल आर वेरी टायर्ड. आई एम ऑल्सो टायर्ड. आप एक्चुअली हमारा पूरा टाइम वो मंदिर के लिए क्यू में खड़े होने पे ही चला गया. लाइक 2.5 आवर तो हम बस क्यू में ही खड़े रहे दर्शन के लिए. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हाफ ऑफ द डे वेंट. और इसके बाद कोवरल आई डोंट नो द नेम. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू pronounce any places of this Trivan, like Kerala. Only district name I know, all the district name, but inside this places, all those places, I am not able to pronounce it properly. Kovaran something. वो जाएंगे बोल के सोचे, लेकिन we are already so tired. But still I don't know if we are going. I'll show you guys. If we are going, then I'll show you. If we are not going, then we will go straight to room, means house, Saranika's house, and we will take rest. Guys, today whole like places we are covering with this sari only, because we didn't get any time to go to room and change it, because if we'll go then we won't able to see other places, so better we thought of wearing this. Yeah, we reached at beach. It is actually beautiful. The color of the water is like Turkish blue or something. How you are feeling? Are you happy now?
Yeah,
Huh?
I'm so happy.
Which all places today we covered? You say, oh, there were.
Two only.
Huh?
2 places. No,
Three places. 2
2
museum.
museums, one Padmanabha Swami temple, and now it's Kovalam beach.
And next we will go to
To that lighthouse.
lighthouse. Say
What?
what you were saying.
Nothing. We just ordered food, guys, and not food.
We walked
snacks.
a lot, like art and to this, and we came, and now we are getting some. What is that? Churmura. Charmuri. So yeah, we are so tired. Can you see our tiredness? Then we will go like here. No, like only we two are only, I think, have worn sari and came. Everyone might be
Grandmas,
thinking,
grannies, they are wearing saris here. And
we are
after them, we are the only one
who is wearing sari.
Bro,
You feed me one, I'll say. You're falling.
this is 60 rupees, guys.
50 rupees.
Is it good?
60 rupees, guys. Not good, but it's okay. Okay.
We don't have any option.
We have to eat something.
No, any other option?
We look like
We should eat.
everyone is wearing some kind of good dress, and we have wore sari and we came.
Yeah.
Guys, we did it. This is the charu made by our Lahari, Reddigari Lahari. Rice, dal, and egg bhurji, and rice. That's it. Let's eat and we'll see. Will taste good only.
Egg are eating, Dharanikas.
Huh?
Egg is fine.
Egg is Dharanikas.
Edible. Very good.
Egg? You made me ashamed by saying I don't know cooking. Now see my skill in cooking. You're satisfied, right?
Edible, she said.
Okay. Oh, she said very good earlier.
May dial it now.
You eat my dal.
So good.
Hey!
So good. So good. ओके गाइस, बहुत अच्छा है. अभी मैं खाऊंगी और बात नहीं करूंगी. चलो बाय बाय.